stuff extracted by the freighter. You see it in locked up in front. Now we're going to take 405 highway. Now, if you get to the part where the cars are backed up, get off at the next exit. Otherwise, you're going to go right into the United States. Get off at the Stanley exit. Okay? Go up the hill. Stanley will be on your right side. You're going to go left. You're going to go left across over the highway, and you're going to come to a fork in the road. Take Portage Road on your right. Portage Road takes you right into the Brock Monument. Okay? You're going to come in a little circle around the mountain, and in you go. If you miss it, you'll either be back in the lake. We're here at Queenston Heights, 200 years ago today.
Here we go.
Famous battle, okay, where the British, they were 1,500 strong, took on the American force of 6,000. The key were 80 Indians, or maybe we should call them Native Americans. But there was no America here. Native Canadians? Who knows? Natives. And with their whoops and hollers and their war cries, scared away 70% of the American force. The rest was captured. And that's relatable to us today. Few but very good people.
Just in case. Surrogate. Persevere. That's the saying of Brock University.
It's what?
Surrogate. S-U-R-G-I-T. I guess it's Latin. It means persevere.
Persevere. That's what we are. We're going to persevere. And here's the wife. So that's good.
All right. The wife comes with another man.
Be careful. Let's be careful out there. We're going to do single file, right? Single file. By the way, Rick today is the ride captain.
Frankie, baby! I thought you were going to do Guess the Rider.
Guess the rider.
Guys, have a good ride.
Thank you.
Boom, take two. We are at Brock Monument in the Niagara region, and we have a curito. So let's try this. This is something we experienced in Paese. Is that right, Lorena? Yep. And what we're going to do is we're going to decase, because that's the way it's done, really. Right? We're going to decase some sausage, fresh sausage, and this is all beautiful homemade sausage at a store. And we're going to stuff the ends of this beautifully hollowed out French neck from both sides. Now, Lorena, you tried this at home, and decasing the sausage is the best way to do it, isn't it? Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah, it looks better that way.
There's no barrier there.
There's no barrier. I'm going to stuff that bread.
Good stuff.
Well, then you slice it and cook it, slice.
Yeah.
So then you just slice it
that way.
Yeah, so that's one loaf right there. So is this how you did it?
Yeah, exactly.
Cut them in little half-inch pieces.
Fingers like size, yeah. Oh, and you look at that?
Yeah.
Oh, where?
I was going to say, I mean,
You have?
Yeah,
In my warm and grill, we can try barbecue put it on. Yeah, warm and grill.
great idea.
That's a neat idea.
So we had this in Veneto. And what we can do is just reincorporate that sausage in that one location. Crevice, nice, right? Beautiful, nice. How's that? It's a simple little We're gonna use a makeshift grill here, and we're gonna just try to do a little bit of I blocked into his way there.
You want a smaller lid?
Yeah, maybe.
Special oil, right?
This is special oil. Matter of fact, you put it on your board, and we can just use the goodness of the board to get some lubrication. Oh, that's beautiful. And because we don't have a flat top here in the Niagara region, we're going to just basically put that under the pavilion. We're going to do that. Get a better look at it right here. The presentation. I wish we had a little mirror here. You could sell a little chamois at the same time. There it is. Isn't that cool? So we're gonna finish that off and we'll put them on the grill. Stuffed little morsels of French stick and with that Italian sausage, and we put a bit of oil from the artichoke mix. It has some flavoring and maybe a bit of vinegar probably. So let's try it out, come on. Let's go. Come on a little closer. Take a look at this thing.
Don't be shy.
Look at that. And basically we're just using that pan and that nice little grilled mark from that oil that we're using. That's tasty. We've got some Italian sausage. We're gonna actually cut on a bias to show that nice char mark, right? And we've got our little paese treats. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. How nice is that? We're also not only the chefs for today, but we are the official QC quality control. And you can tell they're ready because the sausage is firmed up. See that? You can hear that little cracking sound. I'm gonna just take it on some really repurposed butcher paper because I'm bringing back that nice charm. Look how cool that is. Nice old butcher paper, wrinkled on purpose. We're gonna finish it with that nice extra virgin olive oil. Isn't that nice? Ti piace?
Mi piace molto questo.
Sì, grazie. And you know what? It's pretty simple stuff. It's pretty simple stuff. We're cooking rustic dishes in the elements, right?
It is
Rain and all.
Rain and all, we're making it happen. Thanks.
We might have dampened our uniforms, but not our spirits. And I'd like to do a special thank you to a couple of people. First of all, Rick, who came out last week to scope the ride. Yesterday, like I told you, at 5 o'clock, he was here planting signs until there was no more light at 6 o'clock. I'd like to thank Frank and his crew for preparing this wonderful picnic lunch. Thank you, Dino, Paolo, Brenda, staff, everybody that was here.
Lorena.
Lorena. I called her Brenda.
And Brenda.
And a special thank you to Giswaldo, who was very generous with us in offering his soppressata, carciofi, olive, olive spread. Is a wonderful act. The speck. I didn't see it. And speck that comes from the Trentino, right? How do you call this morning here? Pepin Beto. If you don't know, you are Pepin Beto, which is imported by Giswaldo, but is Veneto Prosecco DOC. And you know what? And you know, I like to quote scripture. And at the Last Supper, Jesus said, "This is for me," and pass it around. Thank you. Please, everybody, enjoy and have something. We're going to pass around the wine so that we can do a little toast, okay? But I don't know how this is going to work.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.